And last but not the least, this is the Employee of the Month. We select this award for the individual who is willing to step up. When you give them the job, they produce the job, and also not only team player, punctuality, cooperative, and many more. We hope that the following month will be more intense, and I would like to give this to
Employee of the Month and Best Speedy of the Month,
Sir.
Sir Rams.
Ayos.
Congratulations.
Sponsor na, ano pa?
Ayan, no?
Okay, smile.
John has also approved for A2 visa.
No, 100K.
Congratulations. From what do you call this? From zero hope, now full of hope. Well done. Well done.
Another award. Wait this afternoon, the warrant of arrest from the police.
Inyo lang yung continuous improvement natin. Yung teamwork.
Teamwork.
Yes.
Okay, teamwork.
Thank you. Well done. Palakpakan.
Okay.